In this video, I'll show you how to use advanced surfacing tool. And if you're new in this channel, please make sure subscribe and like it. So let's begin our project. So go to the top plane, sketch, draw 1, 2 and 3, two horizontal and vertical line and then half circle. Select the half circle, make it 2.25 inches radius and the overall length should be 6.310 and make these 2 points coincident and make sure your sketch is fully defined. Now go to the sketch fillet and choose left side corner and make it fillet 1.5 inches. Then we need two plane on the top. uh, First choose top plane and second 3.25 make below the top plane. Again choose top plane and then make it 2 inches below. One is 3.25 and second one is 2 inches. First one is 3.25, second one is 2 inches. Now go to the sketch plane 1, then sketch a circle with the diameter of 1 inch and exit the sketch and second choose. Then go to the circle, then select the midpoint and then the diameter should be 0.45. Then exit the sketch. Two planes should be hidden. Go to the lofted surface. In the surfacing tool, select two profiles and third one. Make sure first we select two planes and second time we will select this edge and that edge. Then OK. Now our sketch is fully and well. It looks good. Go to the thicken and make it around 0.06 inches. Press OK button. Now we have to select top plane and sketch. Go to the center slot. Select the right hand side radius should be 2.5 inches and overall length horizontal should be 7.625 inches and this point and origin point should be coincident. Now go to the center slot and draw something like this. Make radius of 4.25 inches and the length, overall length should be 1 inch. Make it horizontal both side. I'm sorry, the radius should be 0.25 divided by 2. That means 0.13. Make it horizontal. Select this point, that point, and the distance should be 4.5. Or you can change 4 points, no, 4.6 would be better. Then make a circle in the center of the oblong and make it and the diameter should be 0.125, and then trim unwanted parts. Now go to the extrude and make it a reverse direction. Sorry, we have to convert inward entities. Outward it's not inward. I made a mistake, but you can do that. And 0.06 inches inward direction. Press OK. Therefore, I told you before that I had to select inverted oblong. You can see this in between 2 points, we can see the gap. So we have to fill those gaps. Convert entities and done. Now your sketch is fully defined and the 3D product is ready. Now go to the parts and choose plastic, high gloss plastic, and make it green, yellow, whatever you like. Now our product is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe